Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice lotion at home. First, gather your ingredients: 1/4 cup of rice, 1 cup of distilled water, and 2 tablespoons of a carrier oil like almond or jojoba. You'll also need a small saucepan, a fine mesh strainer, and a clean container for your finished lotion. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started on this natural beauty solution. Now, let's prepare the star ingredient, rice water. Begin by rinsing 1/4 cup of rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch and impurities. Next, combine the rinsed rice with 1 cup of distilled water in a saucepan and bring it to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer until the rice is very soft and the water is cloudy. Strain the liquid, pressing the rice gently to extract all the starchy goodness. This is your lotion base. With your rice water cooled, it's time to create the lotion. Pour the rice water into a clean bowl. Gradually add 2 tablespoons of your chosen carrier oil, such as almond or jojoba, stirring continuously. For a pleasant scent, you can add 5 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil, like lavender or rose. Blend the mixture thoroughly using a whisk or a small hand blender until it's smooth and emulsified. This creates a light, nourishing lotion. To keep your homemade rice lotion fresh, transfer it to a clean, airtight container. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will remain potent for up to 1 week. This natural lotion offers wonderful benefits for your skin, helping to soothe and moisturize. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your radiant, naturally cared-for skin.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.